Three things you should always tell your doctor. ER physician Dr. Travis Stork says that an open line of communication between is key, but it can also end up saving your life. Here are three things. 1. If you take effervescent antacids. Before a procedure, doctors will tell patients to avoid any ibuprofen and aspirin containing products because they can act as blood thinners. Plastic surgeon. 2. If you have a belly button, Dr. Nita explains having a piercing can lead to scar tissue. Anytime doctors. 3. If you take nasal, Dr. Orden explains that nasal decongestants are meant to be taken short term. If you take them for, Dr. Orden says nasal saline or steroid drops are not the same. Anything that is just
raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,